So, as we are meeting here first time, I think that we have never met before. So, we should introduce ourselves for each other and for our viewers. As I
Yeah,
see that you have also YouTube channel. Okay, so may you introduce yourself first?
yeah, yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir. As you know, sir, my name is Sachin Wahak, and I am from Maharashtra, from Pune, and I am married person. Yeah, I have two children. They are going to same school, and I am farmer, and I am also driver on milk van. So that's it's a little bit about me, sir.
Okay, it is good to know about you. Now, let me introduce myself. So, my name is Noordin Khan from Uttar Pradesh, district Bagpat. So if I talk about my qualification, I accomplished my higher secondary education last year. Currently, I'm pursuing my Bachelor of Arts degree from CCS University from Meerut. So if I talk about my other journey, I have a YouTube channel where I upload some English conversation videos and some educational videos like vlogs and some different videos like travel vlogs and some field vlog and educational vlogs, and as well as I'm learning my spoken English. I'm improving it day by day. And if I talk about my turning point, I started this language before 1 year back something. So as you can consider that it's been 1 year something. Since then I'm just practicing this language with you and with other people too. As you know that I have joined some groups. So that's pretty much about me.
Oh, you give me long introduction. Yeah, nice. It's
It's not that much long. It's just short because I didn't consider my hobbies and my dream, and you can say that's all. And as
oh
well as I'm very passionate to read some non-fiction and fiction book. You can check behind me.
oh yes, yes. I
Recently, I
can
bought
see.
a book. Yes, not recently. It's been 10 days something. Then I bought a book, Atomic Habit, but I haven't read this book. I'm just going to start it after 5 to 6 days something because I have to finish first book first. That book name is I Can't Believe. Sorry, you can't believe everything whatever you think. This is
Oh,
very
nice.
good book. Yeah, I
Oh,
have
you.
read more than 20 pages something in this from this book.
Oh, nice. Sound is good. I really appreciated you because you love reading books. Yeah, I can see behind you so many books are there. So it's like sometimes if I get a free time, so that times I read books, story books. I read Bhagavad Gita books when I was in the college. So that times I read Bhagavad Gita book.
So you read some you can say religious book. Am I right, or you also read some other book non-religious?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Okay, that's nice.
So I have a questions to you.
Yes, go ahead.
When you start learning English, so that times what's one things taught you important lesson?
When I started this language, that time I didn't know about because I didn't have enough knowledge about spoken English. Even I didn't know that what is the one sentence and what is English because I was in 12th class. So as you can consider, a 12th class student hardly he knows that how to learn this language, what is English, and where do we work, like that kind of things in village person too as well. If you are in a city person, so I don't know about them because they have already learned or they always try to learn this language. Even I have also met some people who belongs to you can say city, and they have learned and they are just learning this language. Even they are just 9 year old or 7 year old yet only. So that's my opinion about this language. What was your question? I Can you repeat again because I gave you some suggestion that, so I
Uh,
forgot the question.
I asked you what's the thing what's the most things that things taught you important
Important lesson.
lesson. Yeah.
I think there was nothing. what I learned because I didn't have enough
So
knowledge about that. So
yes, sir.
that's when you can
When you
consider.
start to learn English, so that times any fear, any problem.
I had much fear. Even I could not speak in front of the people, but you can consider that when I took subscription on English ERE, so then I got removed this fear. So that's all.
Oh, English area.
But you can
You
consider
download English
nothing.
area.
Yeah, but you can consider that nothing was there which taught me something,
Oh,
excepted my teacher or some books.
yeah, yeah, yes, yes, yes. So, what is your favorite hobbies?
Okay, my hobbies are studying, reading some books, non-fiction and fiction, and to explore some new places. But I'm not doing one thing of my hobbies, and one thing is that traveling. Because you can consider that now I'm just 19-year-old yet and I have to manage lots of things like related to my father's work and my mother's and my brothers, and as well as I have to study. So I'm not capable to go anywhere, and even I am not earning money. So you can consider that if we go somewhere, so we must have enough money to spend. So that's mean you can say as a hobby. So I'll do it in future after some hour, oh sorry, some year
Mhm.
when I
Yes,
would be settled.
yes, yes. I totally agree with you. Because you are students now, you not earn no money. So, suppose if you when you start earn money, so after that, what will you do first?
If you are asking me my first priority, so definitely I'll provide some good things to my father and my mother. Like these days, they have to work in a farm. So
Mhm.
after earning money, I'll always say them that don't go anywhere and just stay at your home and do not do anything. Like I'll give you everything, whatever you need. If you want to do this type of work, so be quit, and I'll hire another person with you
Mhm.
who can work with you every time. If they wants to go in, you can say farm. So that in
Oh,
term of the,
nice.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So your father is farmer. So do you help to your fathers in their farm?
Yes, I always help them. Even in morning time, I oftenly go there daily basis, like to help some working and like showing some paddies and some sugar cane and weeding some sugar cane. You can say these type of things I can do. I can manage myself. When I was 7 year old or 8 year old something, so since then I'm working with my father because my father was very in serious condition that time. So I had to manage, and my brothers too. We are four brothers, so two brother are living in Gurugram. So we two brother are doing with my father. We always help with him.
Yeah, so many responsibility. Yeah, I know farmer life because I am a farmer, so I know about farmer life.
Yeah, you are right. A farmer can understand.
Yeah, farmer can understand to farmer.
Yes, yes.
So, do you after so you can you tell me after you speak very well English means fluent English? So what will you do after that?
First of all, I want to get a good job in defense sector through CDS and defense and NTA, wherever through which I can get or I am able to get. And after that, like if I would have enough time to visit some places, some abroad, you can say some other country. So then I'll go there and then I'll shoot some vlogged videos. Like I just want to explore some not new countries, some countries, like how do they have things and behavior and culture and you can say environment, what kind of everything is there. So I just want to explore some countries like UAE, Abu Dhabi, and then Germany and Israel, and I have some country in my mind that I'll go in future.
Mm, nice. So, do you know how to make tea?
Tea, yes, I know. I have
So,
never made, but
can you explain how to make tea?
yes, definitely. First of all, you must have a pot for making tea, as you can consider that without any pot, we can't do this. So, firstly, you have to select a pot for making tea, and then you must have some water. How much quantity you need, you can manage this, and then after that, you must have tea and some sugar, and then mix them and take them
Tea
in
powder,
your water. Yes, and
water,
then
tea,
after boiling,
milk,
yes, and what?
water, tea powder, and milk.
Yes, 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 you are right.
Mhm.
Actually, we always in my areas we always say that uh, tea, Tata tea or some other tea too. So that's why I told you that tea and with milk, and take it in your water, and then after boiling it, then give it uh, milk, and then after that you can raise it and then take it easily. That's
Oh,
all.
nice,
I don't know
nice.
what kind of people you have like in your city, but in my areas we always do this. Actually, I have seen in some cities people like in Delhi and some other where. So I don't know how do they prepare tea. Like they don't boil
It,
it.
it's a simple process of prepare tea.
Yes, yes. That's why I don't know because I have never taken that tea in my life. Even I went many times, but whenever someone asks me that, do you want to have tea? Then I always deny that I don't want.
Okay, okay. And I have so many questions. Do you miss your childhood memories? Any your old friends, your school friends?
Yeah, definitely. When I was in my schooling time, I had lots of friends, even who used to help with me every time. And these days, they all are gone now. So I'm just alone. So you can consider that I always feel that if I get chance to go, so I'll definitely go in my childhood when I was just 7 year old or 8 year old something, because that time we didn't have any responsibility. We used to just make fun and just do doing some
Yes,
casual things.
now you are grown up, so don't take responsibility.
Yes. Now I
Yeah.
have to take care of my family member and something. So
Oh
I am
yeah.
think now. Yes.
Okay, okay. If you ask any question in your mind, any question, so you can ask me.
Yes, why not? I have. As I see that you are very old man. Maybe you are 40 year old something, if I'm not wrong.
No, no, I like this 40 years, but it is not true. I am 36.
Okay, you are 36. Okay, it was my fault maybe. So you want to learn this language in this age. Do you have any particular reason, or it is just your passion to learn this?
Yeah, actually, it's behind me my daughter's hand. Learn this language
How it is?
because actually one day I watched Priya's madam video. Or do you know Priya's madam video? Priya's World English.
No, actually I don't know her.
Actually,
I didn't.
she is from Tamil Nadu. She is a big YouTuber, and one day I was watching Priya's madam video, and I don't know that time. I don't know. Behind me, my daughter was she was watching this video behind me, and suddenly she said me, "Papa, why are you watching this video?" I think you understand, Papa, English. So that times I say to my daughter, yes, I can understand 80 90% I understand, but I can't speak English because when I was in the school that times our teachers they didn't speak English with me. So, but I really want to speak this language. So after that, my daughter forced me, Papa, you can speak English because already you understand English language. so it is easy for you. So then after time I start to learn this language, and my daughter support me. My sometimes she teach me how to speak, how to create sentences, how to use present simple tense, present continuous tense, and that types. So yeah, this is my
It
journey,
is,
sir.
yeah, it is good to know that is a daughter is teaching to you, like your daughter is teaching to you this language.
Yes,
That is
yes, yes. Actually,
amazing.
she is going to ninth standard. She is studying a ninth standard, and her English is very good. Better, you can say better than me.
Okay, and she
Ye-
is just in her ninth class now, and even she could speak properly.
Yes, yes. Actually,
Okay,
I
yeah,
am shocked because she is going Marathi medium, but her
okay,
English is very fantastic.
yeah, I can guess.
So, do you notice nowadays this what I can say means this oh my god, sometimes I forget word.
Yeah, it happens sometimes. I always also forget sometimes while asking something to anyone. As earlier you asked me one question and then I was telling to you, then I forgot that question and I also asked you that what you said. What was your last question? Yeah,
Yes,
we often
yes.
forget because we are human beings. So as you can
Yeah,
consider it,
yes,
we
yes.
cannot
So
remind. Yes.
can we can I end this section because I am at work now. I
Okay.
have work.
Okay,
You
no
can,
worry. If you are
I
at
am
work,
in
we
the
can wrap up
office.
this session now. Okay, this is your office. I thought that this is your home. So maybe you are at your home and then you are having this session. And because the time is over, you can say
Yes, yes.
we hardly
Actually,
do this work at this time.
my family members calling me, so that's why I asked you.
Okay, no, okay, no worry.
Okay, bye bye.
And
It was a nice conversation with you. Bye bye. Take care.
okay, thank you for giving